how to customize VoiceOver speech sound on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on VoiceOver. Next, we go down and tap on Speech. Then tap on the primary voice item. In here, what you can do is you can select a different voice. So we got Allison.
Hello, my name is Allison.
So
I am
Allison.
an American English voice.
We got Ava.
Hello, my name is Ava. I am an American English voice.
We got Bruce.
I sure like being inside this fancy computer.
And here we got Eloquence. So
Hello, my name is Eddie.
Hello, my name is Grandma.
So Grammar, Read, Rocco.
Hello, my name is Rocco.
Okay, so you can continue down with other voices. So you can choose any other voices that you like to use.
Hello, my name is Noah. Hello, my name is Samantha. Hello, my name is Samantha.
Okay, so from the list here, select a voice that you would like to use. Then we're back to the rate. In here, you can adjust the speech rate.
Hello, my name is Allison. Hello, my name. Hello. Hello.
You
Hello.
can adjust the
My
pitch.
name is Allison. Hello, my name is Al.
You can
Hello,
adjust the
My
volume,
name is Allison.
timbre.
Hello, my. Hello, my. Hello. 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 My name is Allison.
Sentence pause.
Hello. My name is Allison. Hello. My name is Allison.
You can change the equalizer. You can turn it on or turn it off. Here we got ultra low, lows, mid frequency, and high frequency. So you can adjust all of them.
Hello. My name is Allison.
If you mess up with the settings, you can always tap on Reset Voice Settings.
Hello. My name is Allison.
And it will go back to the default. And that is how you can customize the VoiceOver speech sound on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.